The universe as we know it might be more intricate than it appears, revealing a hidden layer governed by quantum mechanics. Scientists have discovered that particles can exist in multiple states simultaneously, hinting at a complex code that governs our reality. This concept goes beyond mere observation. It suggests that reality itself responds to our consciousness and intentions. Fascinating experiments have shown that particles can even behave differently based on observation, challenging our understanding of existence. What if our perception of reality is just a key to unlock these enigmatic codes? The quest to unveil this hidden language continues, leading us to ponder our very existence and the universe's secrets.